5:30, who's really the boss? The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is locked in a leadership battle. Two people claim to be at the head of the consumer watchdog. Mick Mulvaney, who was just named temporary director by President Trump, arrived for his first day on the job today. But Leandra English was picked to lead by the outgoing director and is now suing to block Mulvaney from taking over. So this is all after the man President Obama appointed to head the agency resigned on Friday. So what does this power struggle mean for you? John Keller joins us now to show us why this agency is so controversial. John.
Well, Liam, with the possible exception of the companies themselves, everyone agreed after the 2008 market meltdown that financial institutions like mortgage lenders and credit card companies needed better policing. But there is sharp disagreement over whether the CPFB has been a good or bad cop.
So you agree that Congress should not be responsible for setting the budget for your agency?
I believe that Congress should treat all of the banking regulators alike.
It was a partisan hot potato when a Harvard law professor named Elizabeth Warren helped create the Bureau 6 years ago, and it still is.
It's the most out-of-control, unaccountable federal agency in Washington.
Wall Street hates it like the devil hates holy water, and they're trying to put an end to it.
Why is an agency born out of the economic crash of 2008 so controversial? Its critics say the CFPB has run up huge bills and been unfairly aggressive with the businesses it targets. In one infamous case, fining an auto loan company millions for alleged discrimination against minorities by guessing the race of loan applicants based on their last names.
It's a wonderful example of how a bureaucracy will function if it has no accountability to anybody. It turns up being a joke, and that's what the CFPB really has been, in a sick, sad kind of way.
The Wall Street banks really don't like the CFPB, and they have about 12 billion reasons not to like it.
A reference to the nearly $12 billion in consumer refunds extracted by the Bureau from corporations caught cheating, including a $100 million fine extracted recently from Wells Fargo for opening credit card and bank accounts without customer knowledge. Now, this legal battle over who will run the Bureau is really a sidebar to the real issue. Will the CPFB continue to be a tough, feared brake on financial industry greed, or will it be defanged? As Senator Warren puts it, this will be a test of the president's campaign vow to stand up to Wall Street on behalf of vulnerable consumers. Paula, Liam?
Live in the studio here, John Keller, thank you.